right from insight to idea to actually seeing a metric being converted happening in less than a week was quite surreal to experience. Hi, I am Arnav. I am the co-founder at Rovia and I'm looking after the product in tech. We are a wealth tech platform specifically focused for RSU holders, which means somebody who works for Google, Amazon, Meta, they get their stocks in the US. So we help them manage their stocks. When we started, we had multiple fragmented systems. Our data was in Metabase, our comms or the customer lifecycle was being managed on WebEngage. So it was very difficult to keep track of all these fragmented systems and to be able to have a very personalized touch point with the users very quickly. So analysis would happen on Metabase and we would have a thesis, then we would need to have an event to be made to be triggered to WebEngage and then check whether this is working or not and then create a journey. So that full end-to-end life cycle used to take us right from insight to actually executing that 1 to 2 weeks. That's where we came across Sortment and we realized that we can have a more comprehensive understanding of the users because all our data, how our users interacting with our app and as well as our very rich backend data, which is our Metabase data, can lie in the same surface area and we can have very personalized cohorting plus a very personalized messaging for that cohort and then generate the right content also very easily and set up a journey or set up a one-time comms very easy. So our life cycle went down from almost a month to a few minutes to sometimes maximum 1 hour. The metrics that we are tracking is somebody who signs up to doing their first transfer. So that is what we call a conversion, somebody doing a transfer. And within that, a very important step is onboarding to KYC. And this is the metric that we wanted to move and keep on improving upon. What Sortment helped us do was we were able to analyze the customer segments based on the properties and we were able to create multiple deep segments and cohorts. And once that was done, we wanted to immediately create a personalized comms journey for each and every customer cohort that we wanted to do. And as soon as we did that, we were able to see a significant 5 to 10% uptick in our onboarding and the KYC conversion, starting from the next 5 days of our communication journey being live. So right from insight to idea to actually seeing a metric being converted happening in less than a week was quite surreal to experience. What Quest helped us do is this pattern matching and this analysis of hundreds of users in real time who are interacting with the app, keeping in mind what is the important conversion metric for us, going through those steps of each and every user, those events that are being triggered, figuring out the pattern and then surfacing it out as soon as, let's say, somebody comes to the office and logs in. The answer is already there that this is what has happened, this is the pattern that was observed, and this is the recommendation that can be applied. So this has been a very big unlock that right when you're not even working in the background, you already have this very deep analysis already done with an actionable insight that you can just act upon. And the best part is it's not a set frequency that I have to keep a reminder every week somebody needs to spend time to check this data. This happens in real time at a daily level. I will describe it based on the tools that we were using. So it's a mixture of, let's say, Metabase, a mixture of PostHog, WebEngage, MoEngage combined into one tool. And the biggest unlock has been that we have been treating these three things so separately that the hidden friction of them was not even realized. Now, when there is a single tool which can help a single person do everything related to analysis to sending a comms, has been a very big unlock in terms of productivity, but also in terms of serendipity that we were able to surface out new things which was getting lost because every person was looking at a different thing. No one person had a single context. So I think this has been a biggest unlock, that Sortment has combined all these things which are very, very important together and let the context of each function carry over across the other function, which by default as a virtuous cycle makes our communication, makes our analysis better after each usage.